Welcome to Konem Private Limited, your reliable partner in automation. We are committed to delivering innovative solutions that drive efficiency and productivity. Konem Private Limited, established in 2004, is a leading automation solutions provider based in India. Under the leadership of Mr. Vihong Patil, with over 25 years of experience, we specialize in test benches, electrical automation, industrial product development, and more. Our mission is to deliver reliable, cost-effective, and innovative automation solutions that enhance productivity and quality. Our vision is to be a global leader in automation solutions with sustainable and cutting-edge technologies. We offer a wide range of services including assembly line automation, end-of-line test benches, endurance testing systems, and custom industrial software solutions, tailored to meet diverse industry needs. Here is a glimpse of the projects we have executed, showcasing our expertise and commitment to quality in delivering state-of-the-art automation solutions. Our software development capabilities include creating advanced user interfaces for automotive sensors, switches, controllers, motors, etc., ensuring precision and efficiency in automation processes. We proudly serve a variety of industries including automotive, EV and battery testing, manufacturing, industrial automation, and R&D labs, providing tailored solutions for each sector. Our expertise spans across PLC automation, custom embedded systems, machine vision, and more, enabling us to deliver comprehensive turnkey solutions for complex automation challenges. Our end-of-line test benches are designed to ensure the highest standards of quality and performance, providing reliable testing solutions for various applications. We offer durability test benches that are engineered to withstand rigorous testing conditions, ensuring the longevity and reliability of products. Our performance test benches are crafted to deliver precise and accurate testing results, enhancing the overall efficiency of the testing process. Our assembly line automation solutions are designed to streamline production processes, increase efficiency, and reduce operational costs, making us a trusted partner in automation. Our end-of-line software solutions are tailored to optimize testing processes, providing comprehensive data analysis and reporting capabilities for enhanced decision-making. Our durability software solutions are crafted to provide detailed insights into product performance, ensuring robust and reliable testing outcomes. With over 300 successful projects delivered, trusted by major OEMs, and 21 years of consistent innovation, we pride ourselves on our expertise in handling large-scale automation projects. Our satisfied clients include industry leaders such as Mahindra, Tata, Bajaj and many Tier 1 suppliers to major OEMs, reflecting our commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction. Choose Konem for our proven track record, domain expertise, strong engineering capabilities, and customized solutions tailored to your needs, ensuring futuristic and reliable automation solutions. For more information, contact us at our Pune office or visit our website. Think automation. Think Konem.